Hey, good evening, Lynn. This is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. Thanks for sending me the email. I'm going to take a look at Tesla for you today. This is one that I have analyzed several times in the past. I haven't done it in a little bit, so I'm glad you sent it my way. To look at using the Elliott Wave Theory, which is what we do, we look at price charts and analyze them using the most powerful trading strategy out there, the Elliott Wave Theory, identifying where it is in its Elliott Wave pattern, which tells us where it's going to go in the future. So with that, we'll take a look at Tesla from its inception, dating back into 2010. From the start, it has been in a trendy up move for the duration of its life. The first up move, a nice first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. This completed a large five-wave advance, which was followed by an ABC pullback into the 2019 low. This is where it really went parabolic off that 2019 low, embarked on a massive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave advance that completed in 2021, and since then has been correcting this big up leg off the 2019 low. So we're going to zoom in and look at this move and to show you exactly why we are convinced that it is in fact a completed 5-wave move and is now undergoing a larger correction. So let's go ahead and do that. This is a different look at it. Before, in this view here, we're looking at a logarithmic scale, so every box is a similar percentage point. When we go to this scale here, every box is a similar point, so each box is a 50-point move. And I wanted to show this just to show one of the reasons why we're convinced that the 5-wave move completed, because it's just darn plain obvious from this view. You get this nice 5-wave move, and then you get by far the largest pullback we've seen since that 2019 low was recorded. So that's one reason. If we zoom in and look just at that 5-wave move, this is it. I show the labeling on multiple decreasing degrees of trend just so you can see the detail, and again why we think it's complete. The move lasted over looks like a year and a half or so, and the pullback again is the largest thing we've seen since this up move began, so that's another reason. Despite that, we even try to take it from a different approach and look at maybe different labelings that we could put on there to see if there's any other thing that would make sense, which would dictate that this 5-wave move has not yet completed. So here's my best effort at that. Let's say the first up wave completed in 2020, you had a second wave pullback, and then everything since then has been in a third wave. And the question is, does this work? Is this a possibility? And the answer that I come up with is no, this doesn't work. You have a second wave here that's a triangle. Triangles can't be second waves, they're only fourth waves or B waves. That doesn't work. And then you have this third wave and a massive fourth wave that retraced more than 61.8% of this third wave. This is a very long roundabout way to say this is not a good fit. The best fit, again, is that we've completed a large 5-wave advance off of that 2019 low, and we're in the process of correcting it. So the question then becomes, where are we in this correction, in the 2021 correction? Are we near a low? Is a low in? What can we expect from here? So let's go ahead and zoom in on the correction. Now, my expectation is that we have not yet completed this pullback. It looks like an A wave happened, a sharp move in early 2021, and everything since then fits as a B wave. Now, there's another time we want to play the devil's advocate here. What if instead, maybe this pullback completed? Is that possible? Let's look at the ways that could be feasible. That would be with an A wave down here, a B wave up, and then a very short truncated C wave that now gave way to a leading diagonal first wave. Again, this is not the best fit. For one, it would require a truncated C wave, which is less common. The whole size of the move becomes shorter, and this first wave is overlapping, does not look like the start of a trendy move. It's been sideways, it's been choppy, all that type of stuff. Boils down to this. All of that analysis, all of those words boil down to one thing. A move below 615 at any point confirms that the pullback in 2021 is not yet over. And that is the expectation as we showed here. Our belief is that it's in a B wave, that we're going to get a C wave down that's going to head deeper into this yellow support area. We do expect it to find a low somewhere in this yellow area. It goes down to about 370. I don't think it's going to get that low, but it could. We would expect the C wave to set a new low for the pullback, or at least test the 2021 low before it's over. So if we zoom in and take a little bit closer look at the pullback, you got this nice 5-wave down move for wave A. You have a choppy counter trend move, and all of it again looks like a B wave up to me. A move below 615 at any point again confirms that a larger C wave decline is coming. If I'm wrong, if price stays above 615 and this recovery off May's low becomes more trendy, becomes more interesting, more strength, more purposeful, then we would reconsider. But as is, the best fit dictates additional weakness. You might see more near-term upside pressure, could work its way back towards April's high, but ultimately we expect this guy to break down, give us a larger C wave down, step out here, again the C wave down. At that point, we will be looking for the resumption of the overall uptrend. And make no mistake, we are bullish on Tesla on a long-term time frame, but on the short and mid-term time frames, I think you just have to wait for this larger counter-trend pullback to complete off of the 2021 high before it is ready to go. And again, a move below 615 at any point confirms that that is what's happening. So I hope that's helpful, Lynn. Feel free to send me some other tickers if you have them that you want me to analyze. And again, thanks for being a part of the Trend Lizard community. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. Come visit us at trendlizard.com, and we'll talk to you again next time. Take care.